is Saljandra Borkar. Today I have discussed about the modifier medical coding. First of all, we discuss about definition of medical coding. Medical coding is the process of translating healthcare information into the universal alphanumeric codes. It's known as medical coding. In medical coding, modifiers are two-digit codes that are added to CPT, that is the current procedure terminology, or HCPCS level 2 codes to provide additional information about the service or procedure performed. Modifiers are used to give context and clarify specific circumstances that may affect how a process is built, record, report, or this helps to avoid confusion and ensure that insurance companies and healthcare providers understand exactly what was done during a medical encounter. A modifier can indicate a variety of factors such as the alternation in the service. First one is the special circumstance, then the unique patient situations. Then we discuss about the types of modifiers. First one is the CPT modifiers, that is the current procedure terminology, and second one is the HCPCS modifiers, that is the healthcare common procedure medical coding system. First one is the CPT medical coders, that is the current procedure terminology. CPT modifiers are used to alter the meaning of the CPT codes without changing the definition of the procedure. Some common CPT modifiers includes, first one is the modifier 22. It's increase procedure services used when the works required for a procedure is greater than typically required. Then the modifier 25, significant separately identifiable evaluation and the management service. It's used when an evaluation and management service is performed on the same day as a procedure or other services. Then the modifier 51, multiple procedure. It indicates that multiple procedures were performed at the same section by the same provider. The modifier 59, distinct procedure service, used to indicate that a procedure or service was distinct or independent for other service performed on the same day. And to discuss about SCPCS, modifier healthcare common procedure coding system. HCPCS modifiers are primarily used for Medicare and Medicaid claims and apply to the medical equipment, drugs, and the certain other items and services. For example, modifier KX, that is the requirement met, used to indicate that certain criteria for a particular service or items have been met. Then modifier GA, waiver of liability, statement on file, used when a provider is not sure whether a service is covered by Medicare and where on it's on file. ICD-10 modifiers. While ICD-10 codes are typically used to represent diagnose, certain modifier can be used in combination with them to indicate the severity of coding of a condition or its impact on treatment. The common ICD-10 modifiers includes modifier 1, underlying cause of death, then modifier 3, for condition require special attention in medical treatment, and the modifiers that helps communicate specific circumstance surrounding a procedure or service. Correct use of modifier ensure that services are billed accurately, preventing misunderstanding and potential claim rejection. Healthcare professional must be familiar with the wide range of modifiers and how they are applied to different codes for proper and and compliance. Thank you.